Hey everybody, it's game time, and here's something new and different. You know, you've been seeing me post all the hobby boxes of Chronicles and getting the best stuff and loving it and loving it and loving it. Last year, I didn't really open just a couple, and I mean 2 or 3 of the Chronicles blaster boxes because a hit in the blaster boxes for 2017 were 1 in 4 boxes. It may be the same this year, I'm not sure honestly. But I've loved 2018 so much that I thought, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these blasters too and check these out. And these also have a bonus 3-card revolution pack. I have not a clue what in the world that is, but I want to find out. New, find 7 brands making their baseball debut. That is just so cool. And it does say it's possible to get autographs here, so oh wow, there's what the revolution looks like. That, and I guess that's the checklist for it if you want to see that. Yeah, if this stuff is good, you know I've already bought a ton of the hobby boxes, but if the blasters are good, you can go ahead and put your money on me buying a case because I am all in. You don't get a lot in here, you just get these 4 regular packs and then the revolution pack, so you're not going to be opening tons of cards with this. Let's see if I can get lucky enough to get a hit. Crap, I was going to try to read the odds. Look at that, that's like ridiculously small. There's no freaking way. So maybe somebody can answer. Do you know, or is it like last year? Or the hits 1 in 4 boxes, or better or worse? There's Ahmed Rosario, Prestige Rookie, Gary Sanchez Base, Adames Optic Rated Rookie, Corey Seager, I think I've got 3 of these so far, and Brian Anderson Studio Rookie. See Reese Hoskins there. Got something turned around backwards. A Machado Limited, Chris Bryant, Jose Altuve Parallel. It is a select to 199. I guess gold. Doesn't look orange. Maybe it's orange, but I think it's gold. Wow, these select parallels look good. A Verdugo Crusade Rookie and Reese Hoskins Illusions Rookie. Lindor Classics Verdugo Score Rookie, a Juan Soto Select. That's very nice. Austin Hayes to 199. That is like a Contenders Optic Prism. I'm trying to remember what this would be called. Anyways, it's numbered to 199. And then a Clint Frazier Status Rookie. Couldn't think of what that was called. Alright, last regular pack. Ozuna Rookies and Stars, Cano Base, Acuna Jr. Phoenix Rookie, Devers Opters Contendic, and Chance Cisco. So no hit in that blaster. Alright, let's check out this little revolution pack. I'm excited to see this. Oh yeah, this looks good. It's like the basketball design. So there's Ahmed Rosario Rookie, Giancarlo Stanton, and Ripken. Didn't expect to see this vet here. Cool. So again, like the hobby box, I'm still pretty happy with it. Obviously though, I mean, you kind of have to think the hits really make this stuff special, so that, you know, you kind of have to know that you're going to get some if you buy a bunch of the blaster boxes. Although again, I think the base cards in this have so much more value than they did last year. It's a good rookie class too, and that really helps. Last year, you just, I don't know, who'd you have? Judge, Swanson, Bregman. I don't know, I guess last year wasn't too bad, but this year's pretty stacked. Alright, here's box number 2. Arenado, Rookies and Stars. J.P. Crawford, Score Rookie. Rosario, Phoenix. Gleyber Torres, Optics Contender. Very nice rookie card there. Set that aside so it doesn't get scratched up. Ryan McMahon, Status. There's another Gleyber Torres. This is the Classics version. Cabrera, Mookie Betts to 149. That is going to be the blue. I could look at these select parallels all freaking day. They are just really good looking. There's a Gleyber Crusade rookie. This is all about some Gleyber. There's Albies Studio rookie. So this box has definitely been better than box 1. I've still got this packet and one more. Starting off with Mike Trout, Prestige, and then we have an Ohtani. Just the base Chronicles rookie. Clint Frazier, Machado to 149. Ooh, a Crusade cracked ice. That's a sweet looking card. Wow. Ahmed Rosario, Illusions rookie. And our last regular pack. Again, no hit, so if we don't get one here, then we're going hitless. 0 for 2. Here's an Acuna limited rookie. Chris Davis, Verdugo, Phoenix, Ahmed Rosario, Prism, and a Reese Hoskins Status. So no hit in this box. But again, the base cards, the base and the parallels, I like them so much that you don't feel so bad if you don't get. Oh, sweet, an Ohtani Revolution. Nice. Mookie Betts and a Devers rookie. Wow, this was a good Revolution pack. These cards are, man, they look good. Well, I'm happy with this. I'm going to be buying more of these, so you can expect to see more of this on the channel. Although first I'm going to pick up some more of the hobby boxes, I think, because I've just had so much luck with the hits that, I mean, it's just like gambling. I mean, if you keep hitting on one machine, you're probably going to keep trying that machine. So I'm probably going to pick up some more hobby boxes first and then grab some more, maybe a case of these blaster boxes. So thanks for watching. I'm running out of breath. I'm getting old. Not sure what I'm going to post next. We'll see. I'm going to try to do some videos from the mountains, from Gatlinburg. I'm not sure what I'll open there, but I'll find something. But anyways, thanks for watching. Everybody take care, and I'll be back soon.